Hi and welcome back to the second video tutorial on the basics of working with Holomind. In this video, we will be focusing on creating an agenda and structuring our workshop, as well as adding and managing participants. If you want to create an agenda, which is essentially a bit like a table of content for your workshop, go into the agenda cone. You will instantly notice that a new button appears in the bottom right-hand corner. By selecting it, you will create a new agenda item. You can now describe your agenda item in the flashcard, and then link it to any element in the topic branch. Simply click on the Select a Target button and pick an element. Complete the process by clicking this button when the desired element is selected. If necessary, you can sort and arrange your agenda items by adding an extra level of content. This can be done by creating an agenda cone. You can now add extra agenda items beneath the cone. So for example, if you want to add a special afternoon session to your workshop, you simply create an agenda cone, name it accordingly, and insert or move existing or new agenda items beneath the cone. If you're wondering what your agenda looks like, select the agenda cone. Its flashcard will give you an overview of the current agenda. As you can see, Holomind calculates a schedule for your workshop. However, this feature is only enabled if you set a starting time in the workshop's main flashcard at the very top. Once you've racked up a couple of agenda points, presentation mode comes in handy. Upon selecting the presentation mode, the agenda bar will allow you to manually flip through your agenda using these double arrow buttons. If you find yourself drifting away from your set agenda because you have to explain something different in more detail, this central agenda bar button will always help you find your way back to the currently set agenda topic. The single arrow buttons take you to the next or previous elements in the knowledge tree. This function is completely abstract from the agenda. Holomind is a highly interactive workshop application. Therefore, knowing how to add and assign different participants is an essential feature. Adding a participant is almost as easy as adding an agenda element. Simply go into the participant cone and click the Add a Participant button. Upon typing in the new participant's full name and email address, an invitation email will be sent to the new participant, allowing them to join your workshop. Also, you can decide what kind of editing rights the workshop's participants shall have by assigning them to a specific role in the workshop. The three roles include spectators, who cannot make any changes to the workshop, participants, who have limited editing rights, and moderators, who have the full range of editing rights. Creating teams works just like creating agenda groups. So for example, if your workshop consists of 2 teams working in Berlin and London, create 2 cones, name them after the cities, and add or arrange the participants accordingly. The participants cone's flashcard will give you an overview of your participant teams. If you're looking for further information and a more detailed description on how to use Holomind, check out the support button in the hamburger menu. If you have any questions regarding our service, please feel free to contact us at info@symbolian.net. That's it from me for now. I hope I could help you, and I wish you all success for your future Holomind workshops.